Hello, everybody. Tiana here. I just want to get on here really quickly because number one, I want to use these products, and I've actually been holding them to do an unboxing, and so I want to do the unboxing so that I can use these products. But no, for real. Um, I want to say that I have been waiting to get these products. This company, they seem amazing. Excuse me, when I say this, I think tons of people will resonate with it. They seem like an amazing company. All I hear is good things about their customer service. Shauna is amazing. I've actually talked with her myself. I had an issue arise, and they were jumped right on it, and they were able to handle it like expeditiously. So thank you, Shauna. She's amazing, but the company is also great. That also helps you, like, really appreciate a company when their customer service kicks in and an issue that is not your fault or whatever the case may be. And they're very understanding, and they work with you, and that's really cool. So I've been excited to try these products from Sozo Essentials. If you're not sure, this is who it is, Sozo Essentials. So I have a couple of products here that I want to open and unbox right now with you all, and then I'm going to use them like I planned. So I have a small package here. I believe this is a fragrance, and then I have another package here. I know I ordered wax. I think I ordered some other things too. So we'll see. It'll be a surprise to me, just like it's a surprise to you. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. All right. The first package here, I'm gonna go ahead and slice it open real quick. Shouldn't take too long. If you have used this company and you have any thing you want to say, please comment below. I'd be curious to know what others think as well, because I have not used anything yet. But oh, that's so nice. It says blessing, Shauna. See, Shauna's awesome. um, I haven't used anything, so it'd be really cool to hear what you guys think. Okay, so opening the package, I pulled this out. So obviously, I think I just ordered. Oh yes, they were getting rave reviews about this. So it's this fragrance. So that's in there, and then it says bringing you a little sunshine to your day and sweetness to life, an extra dose of joy and reason to be jolly. Blessings, Sozo team. And they put some Jolly Ranchers in there. Okay, okay. Come on, packaging. I like that. Gives you ideas of what you want to do if you're running a business and how you want to send things. So Sozo Essentials Supplies. So again, and no, if anybody's wondering, this is not sponsored. I'm just a customer, and I'm starting off brand new, so I have no sponsorships. Would I appreciate some? Sure would. So here's the fragrance. And excuse me, I'm so stuffy today, so I apologize. I really do. So it's Mountain Chalet. I believe that's how you pronounce it. It says winter air sweet. I can't read that. Mandarin leaf, white cedar, cinnamon, cardamom. It looks like nutmeg, sandalwood, cashmere, vanilla. But I was on they have a Facebook channel, and I was on that channel, and I heard about this, and I just ordered it. I'm looking for scents, of course. So, oh, that smells so good. Mmm. What does it smell like? It's kind of, what can I equate that with? Mmm. It smells good. I know that doesn't help you guys. Mmm. It's, I can't describe it, but I'm new at this, so I hope to get better at being able to describe scents to y'all. It smells good though. It smells, would woodsy be a good term for it? Mountain Chalet, that smells good. I'm gonna be thinking about what that smells like so you guys can get an idea about it. but it does smell really good. I like that. Thank you, Sozo Group. And here's my other package. Um, again, from Sozo Essentials. Gonna go ahead and open this up. I know for sure this was wax in here. I think I ordered some other stuff too. Let me get this opened right here. And again, blessings from Shauna. That's super cool. I like that. Okay, and some more Jolly Ranchers. So that seems to be the theme. I don't know if that's like depending on the time that you order or what. I guess I believe this is my free sample. Hot apple pie. So I'll smell that one too. Yeah, so I ordered. Okay, yeah. I remember now. So I'm gonna be testing this wax, and um, I'm gonna be testing this wax, and so I looked up what they would recommend for me to use for the type of jars that I'm using, and I ordered some scents. I'm so sorry, guys. All right, let's continue. My pants are stuffy. So I wanted to test their wax, and so I talked to them about what I should get for my jars. And so I ordered some wax. I didn't have any centering tools or wood holders, so I purchased those, and then I purchased the wicks they suggested. So what I got was the ultra core sample for the diameter of my jar, so that I can make a couple candles. So here's the wicks. It's the ultra core sample again from Sozo for my diameter of my jar. I got some wick holders for my jar, and I don't have any, so this will be cool. I've seen these, so I'm interested to use these. It's how many are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are in here. That's the ones that I purchased. I got some fragrance oils. Like I said, I think this is a sample because I don't believe I ordered it. Plus, it says thank you on it. So I want to say that's a sample you get when you order a certain amount. So let's smell this one. This was hot apple pie. I've smelled hot apple pie from other vendors, so we'll see how theirs smells. Oh, that smells so good. Hot apple pie. It smells like a freshly baked hot apple pie. How do they do this? I don't know. That is really good. So here's some scents that I wanted to try. And I'll go through these to see how these smell. Okay. If you all, even if you don't do this, or if you haven't ever purchased scents before, you know, just buy, if you purchase stuff for your own house, that there's all different types of vanillas, and every vanilla can smell differently. So I got French vanilla latte. I don't know if you can see that. French vanilla latte. When I make some more money, guys, my equipment will get better. We all start with, well, not everybody, but I'm starting from humble beginnings. Ooh, that smells good. It smells like you can smell the French vanilla and a latte, like the coffee. It smells like vanilla coffee. Mmm, that smells really good. And I'm not a person who like really likes vanilla, but I can like it when it smells good, and then I can like vanilla. I don't like vanilla by itself, I don't think. So this is cinnamon vanilla, if you notice. So cinnamon vanilla from Sozo. That smells good too. Sozo? Man. Oh, that smells so good. You can smell the cinnamon and the vanilla. It's like a great balance. So I feel like the cinnamon is first, of course, and then it's so cinnamon from my experience is really strong, right? It's a strong scent. Um, and the vanilla I feel like softens it. Just a moment. Okay, I had to sneeze. Didn't really want that on camera. And so this one, the reason I got this one so big is because I know I love this scent. However, the first time I smelled it was with another supplier. But since I was ordering from them, I was like, well, let me see how theirs smells. And hopefully it's just as good, right? If not better. The same is fine too. But this is apple and maple bourbon. I love this scent. Oh my god, I love it. So let's see how theirs smells. Okay. Now I'm stuffy. Oh yeah, that's it. Mm-hmm. That's good. I love it. Apple maple bourbon. I love this scent. That would probably be something I would carry like all the time because I love it so much. But again, it's gonna depend on sales. Everybody don't love what you love. And last but not least, here is my Sozo Lux Soy Wax. So they were raving about this wax, and I got the I guess I got the smaller package. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to start looking at my orders, y'all, before I do videos. But it's a Lux Soy. I've heard amazing things about this wax. People have literally fallen in love with it. They've changed their whole wax that they use, and I'm still testing stuff. I have a wax for my wax melts. However, with this company, I've heard great things about their tart wax. Um, so I am gonna try it. However, I do have a wax that I'm content with my wax melts, but from other candle makers, they say that it's good to be versatile and find other waxes. That way, if something happens with the wax, you're not just stuck. Or say, for instance, they're out of stock, which they were out of stock of that wax that I had for a little bit, and so I couldn't make any wax melts. I'm not saying I'm making a whole bunch anyway because I'm just starting out, but as soon as it came to stock, I ordered it. However, that does make you think, like, what these other candle makers who have experience are saying. It might not be a bad idea to have versatility in your waxes. That way, say for instance, one is out. If they stop making it, they discontinue it. You're not stuck trying to figure out what do I use now. And then also, if they happen to be out of stock, then you have a backup wax that works just as good to your liking, where you can continue production. And so I'm thinking about trying their other wax for my wax melts and see how those work. Um, if it's a little loud in here, I'm sorry. I have my heater on because it was really, really chilly here, and it was too cold in here to make stuff. So I didn't want it. I mean, because I don't want to see coals. I don't want my candles or wax melts cooling too quickly. Even though wax melts, I mean, the good thing about wax melts is they're just very versatile. I found they're not as finicky as candles. Um, they're not as temperamental as candles. There's not too many things that you really have to worry about with wax melts. They're kind of really simple and to the point. You're not checking wicks, but you still want to make sure that your environment is conducive to making. So, that is all for today. I'm so excited. I'm glad that I finally opened this so that I can get started and make a candle with this. So I can see if this is the wax that I'm gonna use, which I really, really hope so. Um, I'm just excited. I'm so excited. So anyway, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review, semi sort of review or unboxing, I'll just say, of the Sozo Essential supplies that I purchased. Again, they are a great company. I do recommend that you look into them. Now, I'll be able to say more once I go ahead and try their products. But as far as the fragrance oils that I purchased and smelled today, they smell amazing. There's not one that I didn't like. And and then I can let you guys know how the wax held up and when I make my candles. So if this interests you, again, please go ahead and like. Please subscribe as well. Leave a comment below. Also, like I said, if you have gone ordered from Sozo before or you have suggestions, I'm very, very open to that. I'm brand new here, guys, so I'm very open to that. But I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.